Thursday, July the 17th. We're live to you from the FMDQ studios here in Lagos. This is Money Moves. I am Bosun Omofaye. Ghana are advancing plans to restructure $2.5 billion sovereign bilateral loans. News reports said the deal was aimed at supporting Ghana's economic recovery, job creation, and long-term development. France says it has invested $2.5 billion euros, or 2.5 billion euros in Ghana, beg your pardon, in West Africa's second biggest economy, generating more than 50,000 jobs in that country and across sectors. France says it's looking to the agreement to help Ghana regain fiscal space and stimulate long-term growth. An International Monetary Fund has warned Ethiopia that its foreign exchange liberalization program is faltering. According to the IMF, the surge in parallel market premium seen on the birr at 17% in the month of May was a red flag. The IMF says the gap signals renewed pressure on Ethiopia's financial system and warns that the setback could derail the second phase of the country's homegrown economic growth agenda and dent investor confidence. Ethiopia introduced a market clearing exchange rate system back in July of 2024.
A-level Sugar, listed on the Malawi Stock Exchange, has announced to the shareholders plans to enter into a $45 million loan agreement with Sukoma Holdings Limited. The loan deal has an option of a further $15 million. The loan is not interest-bearing, aside the return that only becomes payable if the sugar company pays any dividend or distributes any other interest.
This is how the market looks like today. Of course, here from the ticker tape floor are the FMDQ, with the market here at FMDQ, the ticker tape showing today's trading numbers above my head. I'm sure you can see that. But let's move on quickly to the equities market, with the Nigerian NGX climbing another 1.02% today on the back of the banking sector. Some of the news coming through: the index crossed the 130,000 for the first time today, Thursday, the fourth trading session of the week. We also got news just within the last hour that UBA, one of the listed commercial bank, says is raising about 3.156 billion right issues, floating that on the market at 15 naira per share. There was no date as to when that right issue will open to existing shareholders of UBA, but the market's news says an application has been filed with the SEC and the Nigerian Exchange to ensure that this come through. That right issue is coming at 1 new shares for 13 shares already held by every shareholder of UBA. Moving out of the Nigerian market, the EGX is finishing 1.04% today. Very positive. The market closes Thursday at the Cairo market, so the West City market reopens on Sunday. We'll bring you all the data from Cairo market on Monday when the show resumes. In South Africa, the biggest exchange on the continent, the index finished off, the All-Share index, about 5% better today. In Nairobi, the market was 19 basis points better. Broadly speaking, across Africa, it was a very positive Thursday.